6 cups of our pecans in our crock pot. I have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk that we're gonna drizzle right on top of our pecans for this easy crock pot treat. This is perfect for the holidays. It's so easy to throw together and set it and forget it for the ultimate holiday treat. We're gonna make sure that we get all of that sweetened condensed milk out. All right. Now I'm gonna come in with my Smucker's caramel, and we are going to drizzle that also right on top of our pecans, our sweetened condensed milk, in our greased crock pot. I absolutely love this treat because it makes your whole house smell like a pecan pie. It's so warm, it's so cozy. It just really brings all of the holiday cheer to your kitchen. All right, let's make sure we get all of that caramel out. Now I obviously use the Smucker's caramel, which is 12 ounces, but you can use whatever caramel you want. You can even use the salted caramel, but this is what I like to use. All right, and now I have 4 eggs that we're gonna add into our crock pot, just like so. Beautiful. Before we give this a mix, we're gonna add some brown sugar. Now, if you don't want this to be too sweet, you can skip the brown sugar, but I think it needs the sweetness because we have 6 cups of pecans there. So we need at least a cup of brown sugar in there. Now I have some vanilla extract that we're gonna add. We're gonna add about 2 teaspoons, which is 2 lids if you're using this Spice Islands vanilla. So we're gonna do, ooh, that might have been a little too much, but you know what? This is a big crock pot, so it won't go to waste. And to counteract all that sweetness, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. This is optional. You can skip it if you're worried about your sodium, but I can never skip it because it just adds the best salty sweet mix to this. All right, now that that's all in our crock pot, we're gonna grab our whisk and we are gonna mix this all together. I'm actually gonna switch to a spatula so I can get more of a grip underneath those pecans because we want everything to be mixed well together. We wanna make sure those eggs get nice and blended. You can pre-scramble your eggs before you put it in here, but I like to make things just as easy as possible so that everyone knows what's going in this and they can just follow me step for step and get a perfect holiday dessert.
Ooh, that's a cute spatula.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for the holidays. Flatten out our pecan mixture, just like so. Oh, it smells so good, right babe?
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Now, the only thing that would complement this even more is our butter pecan cake mix. And we are gonna dump this whole entire thing right on top of our pecan mixture because we are making a pecan cobbler in the crock pot. Yes, you heard that right. So easy, so tasty, a crowd pleaser. People are gonna think this is homemade. I mean, it kind of is homemade except for the cake mix, but you can make your own homemade cake mix if you prefer. Once we have all of that cake mix in there, we're gonna just use our clean hands and just flatten that out because we need it to be nice and flat in our crock pot. I'm using an 8-quart crock pot, but this can be made in a 6-quart if you don't have a big one like me. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my butter and I cut these into little pats of butter and we are going to go ahead and line our cake mix with our butter. You can use salted or unsalted, it doesn't matter. I had salted already in my fridge, so that's what I'm using, but it does not change the taste of the dessert very much. But you wanna make sure that the entire cake mix has a pad of butter on it. All right, so we did end up using 1.5 sticks of butter for this. All right, this is ready to cook, but to help with that moisture, I'm just gonna put a little cloth napkin right on top, and then we're gonna place the lid so that cloth napkin will catch all of that moisture from the crock pot. And now we're gonna pop this on high and let our pecan cobbler start to cook. All right, it's been 2.5 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out.
It's steaming.
Oh my, that looks incredible. A little burnt on the edges, so maybe use a crock pot liner, but I am ready to dig in. Oh, that cake is perfectly cooked.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, that looks so yummy. Our pecan cobbler. I'm going to top mine with a little Cool Whip because that is what I like on my pies and cobblers. Boom. Boom. So yeah, you guys make sure to check on your crock pot. Make sure the edges aren't burning. Turn it off maybe a little sooner, but this is perfectly cooked. Time to give it a try.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. You guys, this is absolutely incredible. You guys are gonna love it.